I want to show y'all my new phone case. It ain't my style, but hey, it's the only one they had. Got the same phone. Y'all know, y'all been watching me. I had the pink one. It's all good. Yeah, everybody that been rocking with me know I had the pink one. It had broke on me. They ain't nothing but some cheap cases anyways. Temporary until I get my new phone. You know what I'm saying? This right here is Stylo 3. And I'm probably gonna get the iPhone or the new iPhone 11 or the Samsung Galaxy 10 or whatever. Did a side-by-side comparison. Well, I watched some videos, side-by-side comparison. I didn't care about the pink case. If it wasn't broke, I'd have still had it. Hey, I don't care. I'm cheap. But yeah, shoot. I know who I am and what I do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I was gonna get that. Probably gonna end up getting the Galaxy, the Samsung Galaxy or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna look it up. I seen a folding Galaxy. That thing look crazy, but I don't know if I want that one or not. But yeah, I got live shout outs coming out real soon. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing live shout outs. So comment, like, subscribe, leave a detailed comment. You know what I'm saying? I only mess with people that mess with me. I don't do shout outs for nothing. You know what I'm saying? Peace. Holla back at your boy. So they got the Hershey's Kisses cereal. Wow. They trying to knock off people's diets. I ain't on one. I'm not getting it either though, but still. I did pick up some bananas. Show you how to buy y'all bananas if you don't already know. I like to get mine part green. That way if I don't eat one today, I got days until it get yellow then brown. If you buy them perfectly yellow, especially if you buy a whole bundle, it tends to be, some more will get brown. I used to eat a bundle of bananas a day. I don't know why, I just like bananas. But lately, I buy a bundle, it be halfway, and they'll get brown, 1 or 2 on will. But, you know, you can put it, when they start to get a little bit brown, don't throw them away. Put them in the freezer. You can put them in your shakes or whatever. You can make banana bread, whatever. It tastes better that way, too. My mom used to do it like that. Hey, what is that?
Oh, it's a wedges.
It's a panther. What is that? It's a tractor. You cut your grass.
Panther.
You see the bottom? That's where you put the blades. Don't touch it. It's dangerous. But yeah, somebody got a Carolina Panther.
There, boy.
Don't do that, man. Look at the tires, everything brand new. They done tricked this thing out with the Carolina Panthers. It's a John Deere.
Quick!
Look at Bob. There you go.